This mathematical expression of love is dedicated to Meann, my only true love, and the best person who ever happened to me, but left for heaven last February 9, 2023. Not many know that our thoughts and emotions could be expressed in words and sentences, in dots and graphs, and in variables and equations. Thoughts and emotions not expressed are suppressed concepts and sentiments. I shall try to express love mathematically in symbolized variables and through equations, although I know that this is very insufficient to articulate the more than 3 decades of real love that Meann and me share. Love is the quotient of giving and receiving. It is a two-party phenomenon involving a pair of lovers, a giver and a receiver. The equation of love is L equals G over R, where L is the quotient of love, be it in quantity or in quality, that we share with the one we love. G is the amount of love that we give. R is the amount of love that we receive. L is equal to 0 when G equals to 0 and R is equal to 1 or more. Love is 0, or the love we share is nothing if we do not give and yet we receive. Since love involves two parties, this relationship makes the first party a villain or a villainess, and the other a hero or a heroine. L is equal to positive infinity if G is equal to 1 or more and R equals to 0. The quotient of love we share is limitless if we give and we do not expect anything in return. This is, however, a one-sided love affair from the point of view of the first party. In this correlation, the first party is a hero or a heroine, and the other a villain or a villainess. But the association survives because someone will work hard to maintain it. L is undefined if G is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0. Our expression of love is meaningless if we do not give and we do not receive. This is a senseless relationship where nobody loves anybody and nobody cares. L is equal to 1 if G is equal to R. When the amount we give is the same as the amount we receive, the quotient of love is unity. The lovers become one. There is sharing of love in sickness and in health. Its side effect, however, is that when one departs earlier, the one left behind will miss the former and the joy and sorrow they experience together so much. It is devastatingly painful. From the variables in the mathematical equation of love, L, G, and R, it is evident that love is both giving and receiving. If one party declines receiving, that makes her or him selfish for depriving the other the satisfaction of giving. Except perhaps for an exceptional few, every lover needs to love and be loved. Thank you, everyone, for viewing and listening to my mathematical expression of love, dedicated to Meann, my only true love, and the best person who ever happened to me.